Every morning, I wake up to the sound of my phone buzzing with notifications. The world never sleeps, and neither do I, not when there's a story waiting to be told. My name is Alex, and I'm a reporter for the city newspaper. Some people think my job is glamorous, chasing breaking news and meeting interesting people, but it's more than that. It's about uncovering truths, giving voices to those who need them, and shining a light on what others might overlook. Today started like any other day. After grabbing a quick coffee, I headed to the office to check my assignments. On the board, one headline caught my eye: "Local Park Cleanup Sparks Community Unity." At first glance, it seemed like a feel-good piece, but I knew there was always more beneath the surface. Armed with my notebook and recorder, I drove to Greenfield Park, where volunteers were already hard at work picking up trash and planting trees. When I arrived, the air smelled fresh despite the piles of garbage bags lining the pathways. I spotted Sarah, the organizer, standing near a group of kids painting flower pots. She waved me over with a smile. "Thanks for coming, Alex," she said. "We've been working since sunrise, and everyone's pitching in." I nodded, jotting down notes. "What inspired this cleanup?" I asked. "It's simple," Sarah replied. "This park is our community's heart. If we don't take care of it, no one will." Her words struck a chord. As I wandered through the park, I saw families planting saplings, teenagers hauling trash, and even seniors handing out water bottles. It wasn't just about cleaning, it was about connection. Later, I approached a young boy sitting under a tree, carefully sketching the scene around him. "What are you drawing?" I asked gently. "The park before and after," he said proudly, showing me his notebook. One side depicted litter scattered everywhere, the other showed flowers blooming and birds flying. His art reminded me why stories like these matter. They inspire hope. By noon, the volunteers had transformed the park. I snapped photos of smiling faces and vibrant new plants before heading back to write my article. Sitting at my desk, I reflected on what I'd seen. Reporting isn't just about facts, it's about capturing moments that remind us of our shared humanity. As I typed up the story, I included quotes from Sarah and details about the boys' drawings. By evening, the article was published online, and comments began pouring in. Readers praised the community effort, and some even pledged to join future cleanups. Seeing their reactions made all the hard work worth it. Being a reporter means being curious, observant, and persistent. Not every story changes the world, but each one adds a piece to the bigger picture. Tomorrow, I'll chase another lead, ask more questions, and listen closely to the answers. Because in this job, every voice matters, and every story has the power to connect us. For now, though, I'll sip my coffee, scroll through the latest headlines, and prepare for whatever comes next. After all, the best stories are the ones you least expect.